We had a time last night, baby. Hi friends, we're starting a new vlog. It is Sunday, June. It is June 11th. Sunday, like I said, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome if you're new. My name is Nyla. I make lifestyle content with a little bit of beauty and fashion sprinkled in. So if you're not already part of the family, come join the family. You're gonna love it here because everybody loves it here, and that's on period. So yeah, welcome back to a new vlog. We are getting ready to go to Trader Joe's. As I said in the end of my last vlog, if you watched it, I need to get some stuff to be able to like cook for dinner and for lunch because I am tired of all the eating out that I'm doing, and I've been feeling very bloated for the past week and a half. And I know that it's because I've been eating out a lot, been eating a lot of fried foods, been eating a lot of like more bread and wheat products than I would typically consume. Like I do eat pasta at home, I do eat bread and things like that, but like it's different when you're eating out all the time. It's just like denser, and yeah, my stomach has not been the happiest, and I can tell that I'm carrying extra like water weight. I feel very bloated. So we got to get back to cooking our meals at home. That doesn't mean I'm not going to eat out, but like I've been eating out like multiple times during the week, and we gotta cut back on that. Also gotta start moving our body more. But yes, that's why we're going to Trader Joe's today. And then when I come home, I'm gonna eat, and then I need to do some laundry because I didn't do it yesterday, and I need to put some clothes away. So, and hang some stuff up so I can stop living out of a suitcase or multiple suitcases. So yeah, y'all are coming along with me to TJ's, so see you there.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel us? East Coast feel us, West Coast feel us. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast feel me, West Coast feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me, dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got some East Coast feel me, West Coast. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up till the morning.
Hey y'all, happy Monday. Y'all just saw some clips before this, or I'll insert them here, but I just came from the nail salon. We got our paws done. I normally get French or I get white toes, but I decided to get pink. And I had to get acrylic put on this toe because it cracked on the side. And then I got my actual nails done. We just got ombre French. Don't know if you can tell because of the light. I only had one meeting this morning, and then I went to go get my nails done kind of during my lunch break a little bit before, but whatever. I have no meetings for the rest of the day, so I got a little bit more work to do. I'm finna make some for lunch before I go back to doing some work, and I will probably talk to y'all later on in the week. I have to go to Bath and Body Works this week so I can get Leia some like smell goods as part of her little birthday present, because Brittany and Aaron are having a 6th birthday party for her on Saturday. So I already got her a Target gift card because Brittany says she loves Target. Got her a cute little birthday card. I just have to fill it out. I might put some money in there too. And then I need to go to Bath and Body Works so I can get her some like little like body sprays and like hand lotions. Not too much though, because Brittany says she was having a field day like spraying out her little perfumes and stuff. So not too much because I don't want her to get in trouble, but yeah. So I'll probably go do that maybe like Wednesday or Thursday, probably. And that's it. I don't really have too much planned for this week, which is fine. It can be a little bit of a chiller week. But yeah, that's really it for the week, unless something else pops up, which obviously if something does, I will take y'all with me. But yeah, we will chat later. Hey y'all, happy Friday. It is Friday, June. It is June 16th. It's almost 10 a.m. And I just finished taking a shower, getting ready. Y'all know the vibes, all of the things. So, what do we have on our agenda today? So, no meetings today. I like to make sure I don't have meetings on Fridays, period. But no meetings today. And I got a lot of stuff done for projects during the week. So today is probably going to be a very slow work day for me. And it's a long weekend. Monday's Juneteenth, so we have off on Monday. Well, everyone doesn't, but government employees. So I have off, and I know some of my corporate girlies, if your company, you know, is slightly performative, you might have Monday off too. But anyways, I have it off, so long weekend for me. My mom has a nail appointment this morning, so I gotta drop her off. And then while she's at the nail salon, I need to go run some errands. I need to go to Hallmark to get a card for my dad. I'm whispering because he's downstairs in the kitchen and he's nosy and I don't want him to hear me. So I gotta go there. And then I need to go to Target to get 2 gift bags. And then I also need to go to Bath and Body Works so that I can get Leia some like body spray and body lotion, stuff like that as part of her birthday gift. Tomorrow's the birthday party. And then Sunday, I have to go pick up an order from Nothing But Cakes for my dad. And then I think we're taking him to dinner on Sunday night. So those are my plans for the weekend. So I just wanted to hop on real quick, say hello, and obviously I'm gonna bring y'all with me today.
You a critic, boy, shut the fuck up. I'm a freak hoe, hit a dog, and I'm in a cut. She awake, cause I energize her way too much. If we got up on a pick, ho, it's time to pick it up. And my neck king tuck, ah ha ha. I go out with the goons if I must, ah ha ha. And my bitch always catch a nut, ah ha ha. Double D's, but she throw the B's up, ah ha ha. Ayy, just that big road rags, this ain't one-way street. Tryna flip the regime, welcome to the new me. She don't know when I land, but she know when I leave. This that raw uncut, this that young high king. Bitch dressed in Vogue, she's a slim one.
Alright guys, I'm back home. Let's do a little haul. I was trying to find somewhere to sit y'all. Let's start with Hallmark. So I got my dad a #1 dad cup. I think it was the last one they had. Y'all saw me pick it up at the store. This is from the dogs. This is from Skipper and Hazel. My mom told me that the one that I had bought him a few years ago broke, so she asked me to get some while I was, or get him one, not some, get him one while I was there. Then I got a card for me, a card for my mom, and a card from the dogs, so 3 cards. And then got the little gold stickers for them. I like to pick cards that evoke emotion and make people cry or make my parents cry. I think I'm very good at it. And I'm good at like finding cards that can articulate my own feelings. So yeah, got some wrapping paper, got a Happy Father's Day bag, and then Best Dad Ever bag. And then we went to Bath and Body Works because I told y'all I was gonna get stuff for Leia. I got her the Sweet Pea body lotion, shower gel, and the body spray because she likes floral scents. She likes whatever Brittany likes. Brittany also likes very like florally scents. I was gonna get her like a perfume, like I was gonna go to Ulta or Sephora, but I said, oh, child, we're gonna, especially since she's been spraying them out like Brittany said, no, we gonna get her Bath and Body Works. But Sweet Pea used to be like one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works, so I'm putting the girl on to good things. She's gonna love it. So we got her this. What I got for myself, I needed some additional hand sanitizers for my purses, especially because sometimes I switch purses. So if I can just drop them in different bags this way, I can never forget to have hand sanitizer on deck. That's what these are for. Did not know that Bath and Body Works has like fragrances in terms of like cologne and stuff. And this one is Bourbon by Bath and Body Works. This smells so good. It smells like a high-end fragrance. I smelled this while I was there because I was looking at the bottle and I was like, aesthetically pleasing. So let's see if it smells as good as it looks. And this smells so good. So hope he likes it. I haven't gotten candles from Bath and Body Works in like forever. I'm a Forever Mood Girl by Jackie Aina, but I also love Bath and Body Works, or technically White Barn. I like their candles a lot. Mahogany Teak Wood is my all-time favorite scent, but I got the Mahogany Teak Wood Intense. The other one I got before, it smells so good, was just the regular Mahogany Teak Wood. I wanted candles for in here. I love that fragrance, so I got that. And then I got the Cactus Blossom. Never tried this one before, but smells so good. This is cactus flower petals, fresh citrus, and vanilla coconut. That's why I like it, because it has vanilla in it. And then the Mahogany Teak Wood is intense rich mahogany, dark oak, and frosted lavender. I like musky scents, but then I also like vanilla-y scents. I like some floral scents, so that's kind of my vibe when it comes to fragrances. I went to Target last after I got out of Bath and Body Works, since they're in the same little shopping center. We got a happy birthday bag for Lay. I got some wrapping paper. I'm actually gonna wrap her gift now. And I got this little ribbon that I wanted to attach to her bag. And then I got some tape. All right, let me wrap this gift. Talk to y'all in a second. All right, y'all. I finished wrapping her present. It looks so cute. So, hope she loves it. Okay, we will chat later. Good morning, vloggy vlog. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Finished getting ready and everything. And today is Lay's 6th birthday. Happy birthday, Lay. And her birthday party is this afternoon. So her gift is already wrapped, which y'all saw. I do need to wrap my dad's gift though today for Father's Day tomorrow. And I gotta go pick up his cupcakes tomorrow morning. But yes, today's Lay's birthday party. Her gift's already wrapped. It's not until 3, so I'm finna make some breakfast and some coffee. And then I need to edit this vlog a little bit. I feel like this might end up being like a short vlog, like a few days in my life type of thing. Or I might skip and upload this week and just extend the vlog so it's a little bit longer, because I also know that y'all like longer vlogs. We'll see how I'm feeling, but I just want to come on camera, check in with y'all real quick. We will chat later when we are at the party or on the way there. Y'all will see some footage. Hey y'all, in the car on the way to Brittany's house for Leia's birthday party. I didn't put any makeup on. My skin is just skinning right now. Love that for her. Still working on fitting the hyperpigmentation, but skin is skinning. I did my lashes. I haven't put on lashes in a little minute, so it feels like very weird seeing myself with lashes. And I used to like get lash extensions like all the time. If you've been watching me for a while, you know, like I was on a good little run for like 2 years, 2.5 years. I was always getting my lashes done. And now I've gotten very used to my natural lashes since I have been taking a break from getting lashes. And then I only do my lashes like this whenever I'm gonna put on makeup. But I didn't want to put on makeup today, and I was like, let's just do some lashes because it will elevate the face a little bit. And it did. Shout out to, you know, having a great base to work with. Shout out to God. He did that. That's on period. But yeah, I did my lashes real quick. And I'm in the car now. I got Leia's gift with me, and I'm finna be on the way to Brittany's. So see y'all later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leia. Happy birthday to you.
happy Sunday, happy Father's Day to all the fathers and grandfathers and everybody out there. But yes, happy Sunday. So I'm probably going to editing night, insert a few clips from Lay's birthday party yesterday. It was so fun. We had a great time. We had a time last night, baby. We had a motherfucking good motherfucking time. It was so fun. The way that children's parties literally turn into parties for adults is insanity. It's my favorite. But Lay had a great time at her party. She was lit. She loved all her presents. She had so much fun with her friends. So love that for her. Lennox was like sleep through most of the madness. That baby can sleep through anything. And then yeah, the adults were turned. Like, we were lit. Thank God I did not wake up with a hangover today. So love that for me. Got in my water, had to eat some extra food last night. I said, no, we're not throwing up. We are not waking up with a hangover. And so we are Gucci today. So love that for me. But it was such a great time. Shout out to Britt and Aaron for being great hosts and throwing such a wonderful party for Leia. I had a great time. Love you all. So I am in my robe. By the way, I get questions on where this robe is from. It's from Brooklinen. I will have it linked below. Not sponsored or anything. It's just because I get questions asked sometimes. So it will be linked down below. It's also on my Shop My, but I will link it below. Love this robe, very comfy, but obviously just took a shower, did my skincare, all the good shit. And it is a little after 11 and I gotta go pick up my dad's cupcakes. I forgot all about that. I forgot until I looked at my phone. I was like, oh shit, I have to go pick up his cupcakes, but it's not until 11:30 that I have to go get them. So I'm okay. I'm gonna change, make something to eat, and then we're gonna go get his cupcakes, and then I'm gonna do some more editing of this vlog today. I need to wash my bed stuff, and then later on today, I think like around 4, we're gonna go to Longhorn because it's one of my dad's favorite places, and there's one closer to our house now, so we are gonna go take him there for his Father's Day dinner because I feel like it's become a tradition to take him there. We've taken him other places too, but he just loves going there, so we're gonna take him there. And then I think that's really it for today, and then tomorrow I have off, so I plan to just use tomorrow really to like relax. And that's really it. So like I said earlier, this vlog probably will be a shorter one just so I can make sure that I get it up on Tuesday, or if I skip a week, I'll be doing that to make it longer. We'll see, but I think y'all are just gonna get a short vlog, and then I'll start a new vlog later. And then I just ordered some clothes, and I'm thinking about doing a little try on haul, and so that might be a separate video. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in real quick on this a beautiful Sunday, and I will talk to you beautiful people later. Cupcake secured.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this. Body start to drop, hit the floor. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. Happy Juneteenth. Excuse my forehead. She's freaking out a little bit right now, and I have a pimple patch on right here. But I just wanted to come on camera real quick and close out this vlog. I know she was a short one, but I felt like she was cute. She was a good little vlog. So yes, long vlogs will come back, but this one was just a little short one, a little few days in my life, a little sprinkle. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, because there be people that be watching my videos and y'all are not subscribed, and I really don't know what y'all are waiting for, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. You're gonna love it here, and I bet you already love it here. You just need to hit the subscribe button. So yeah, love you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some